Hello everyone, welcome to Fundamental of Microbiology series. This is episode 1. I'm Dr. Kalpna Rakholiya. Today I'm going to teach you Introduction to Microbiology, the Science of Invisible World. Today in today's lecture, you are going to learn definition of microbiology, types of microbiology, why we study microbiology, and their application of microbiology, right? So before we start this lecture, let's know about the fun fact about the microorganism. A teaspoon of soil contain billions of microorganisms, right? And secondly, many microorganisms are beneficial and it is essential for our life, and it also cause various kind of diseases. So microorganisms are two, just like a coin. There is a two side is equally important, as well as it cause the various kind of disease, right? And our human body contain trillions of microorganisms. Their number is high as compared to our cell, right? So these are the today's learning objectives. So let's start about the definition of the microbiology. Microbiology is a branch of biology, right? And we can say the study of microorganism or microbes. These are called as a microbiology. So microorganisms which are in a microscopic side, to observe it we require the microscope, and this is the light microscope under which we can visualize microorganisms, right? So we cannot visualize our naked eye. To observe it we require only the microscope. It found everywhere, so we can say that microorganisms are ubiquitous in the nature. Ubiquitous, it means it found in everywhere. It found in the soil, it found in water ecosystem, it found in air, it also found in human body, so it found in everywhere. So we can say that microorganisms are ubiquitous in the nature, right? These are the major types of microorganisms which are include like bacteria, fungi, protozoa, microscopic algae, and virus. So these are the major type of microorganism. Bacteria, they are single cell microorganism. It is a prokaryotic cell, and this bacteria are found in different insect, right? These are the this structure is the protozoa structure, eukaryotic cell, right? And unicellular, major mostly it found in water environment. This is structure of the fungi. There are two kinds of fungi, is and mole. This structure is the mole structure. This is a eukaryotic cell and play very important role in industry as well as into the nature. This is a microscopic algae. They are photosynthetic and mostly found into aquatic environment. This structure is the virus structure. Is when it present in outside, that is act as a non-living things. When it present into the host, it act as a living things, right? So these are eukaryotic, acellular, and obligate intracellular parasite. So microorganisms are tiny structure, but it play essential role on the earth. So as we already discussed, these microorganisms are beneficial as well as also play to cause the different kind of disease. These are the branch of the microbiology. If we study the bacteria, then it's called as a bacteriology. If we study fungi, then not fungology, but these are the terms that are called as a mycology. If we study the virus, then it's called as a virology. Those scientists who are study algae, then this subject is known as phycology as well as algology. If we study the parasite, then this subject is known as parasitology. These are the trick to remember this branch: bacteriology, BA, mycology, virology, parasitology, as well as phycology, right? Next, we discuss about why study microbiology. As we discussed, there is a two types of role. It's beneficial and harmful. Where it beneficial, it help in food production. It produce from milk to curd due to the microorganisms, bacteria. It also produce the very important for food, that is cheese. It's involved in bread production, right? It also produce various kind of antibiotics and vaccine. Its role in pharmacy, use role in the pharmacy industry, right? It maintain, it recycle the nutrient in nature and improve overall soil fertility. So its role in agriculture, as well as not only cause the disease in human but is also involve cause disease in animal and plant. That's why it's important to study the microbiology. These are the various application. Here I just give the some application. Later on in another episode we are going to discuss in detail different kind of application. So its role in medical, so we called as a medical microbiology. Is also industrial, its role in industrial microbiology. Microbes are also involved in environment, so we this type of brand application we called as environmental microbiology. Its role in wastewater treatment. It involved in bioremediation and biodegradation, and is more impact role in agriculture, for you act as a biofertilizer yeah, into the soil. So these are the application of microbiology. These are the MCQ. You have to give me answer in the comment box. So go through this MCQ and give the answer, right? So thank you very much for watching this episode.